Here is how to find your TurboTax account settings step by step. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account. Enter your account credentials and continue to the main account area. If TurboTax asks for a verification code or another security check, complete that prompt and wait for your account home screen to load before moving on. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one login. Once you are inside TurboTax, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation menu. This is the menu that lists the main areas of your account. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of that left-hand panel. The option you need is placed near the lower end of the menu, so keep scrolling until you can see it clearly. At the bottom of the left-hand navigation menu, click Intuit Account. This takes you out of the main TurboTax workspace and into the account area connected to your Intuit profile. Depending on your browser or device, the next page may open in the same tab or load as a new page. Give it a moment if the account page does not appear right away. After that, select Manage your Intuit account. This opens the full account management page where your account settings are organized into separate sections. If you do not see the option immediately, look for it near the main account details area and select it once it appears. On the Intuit account page, choose the section you want to manage. You may see categories such as Sign In and Security, Personal Info, Data and Privacy, or Products and Billing. Select the section that matches the setting you want to review or update. Sign In and Security is where you would go for login details or security preferences. Personal Info covers the basic details connected to your account. Data and Privacy is where privacy-related settings are grouped. Products and Billing contains information related to subscriptions, purchases, or payment details tied to your Intuit account. Once you are in the right section, review the available settings and make any necessary changes. Update only the details you want to manage and check that the information shown matches your current account preferences. Some sections may let you edit directly on the page, while others may open a separate screen or prompt. If TurboTax or Intuit asks you to save your changes, select the Save or Update option before leaving the page. Watch for any confirmation message that indicates your changes were accepted. If a page requires verification before saving, complete that step so the update can be applied properly. Your TurboTax Intuit account settings are now located and updated in the section you selected.